I just want to say these cookies are like the best cookies I've ever eaten. Ever. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oatmeal cookies. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking Sheri. Today we're going to be baking something super special and delicious, Oatmeal Pecan Toffee Cookies. I'm telling you, it's really quick to make up. I actually came up with this recipe because one night I really was craving oatmeal cookies and I wanted to make something really quick so I could just sit back down on the couch and eat them. After I made these cookies, I realized that there are a lot of similarities to a recipe that I'd seen before by Claire Saffitz, her pecan brittle oatmeal cookies. I remember watching the video and thinking, oh, that looks delicious, but the process was super time consuming. I mean, she toasts the pecans. She makes her own pecan brittle. Like I said, I wanted cookies like now. Grinds her oats, combines them with the flour, makes brown butter, caramel, what else does she do? A lot hard. Chill the dough overnight. This recipe just turns out to be a quicker version, easier, but just as delicious. So if you're a big fan of Claire Saffitz like me, and you really want to try this recipe, but you're either intimidated by this really complicated process, or you just want to eat your cookies as soon as possible, this is the recipe for you. I am so excited to get started. So let's do that. So let's go over the ingredients. Pretty basic over here. We have room temperature unsalted butter, some oats, some flour, salt, cinnamon, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, and a mixture of crushed pecans and Heath toffee bits. And that's it. So the first thing that we're going to do, as usual, is start with our butter and sugars. Brown sugar, granulated sugar, vanilla. Okay, and let us get these light and fluffy. Okay, and now we are gonna, before we touch our oats or our pecan toffee, we're gonna combine our dry ingredients. So we're gonna get our flour, baking soda, salt. That's it. This recipe is too easy. Like, I get confused. I get confused when it's this simple. I always think, is there more I can do? Oh yeah, cinnamon. Combine all those, and that's your dry ingredients. We're just gonna slowly add those to our butter mixture. We're almost done, so. It is so exciting. New favorite cookie alert. Slowly add the dry ingredients. Just until combined. That's it. I got so excited about this recipe and how easy and quick it was that I forgot one thing. My mortal enemy. Okay, egg. We could still do this. It's fine, okay? We're gonna just crack our egg and we're gonna add it in there and pretend like Now we're gonna add just gonna fold our oats in. Don't even, because my face definitely did something weird. Now we'll add our pecan toffee mix, a little bit. at a time. Okay, and that is our beautiful dough. We are ready to put these on our baking sheet. Got a baking sheet here lined with some parchment paper. Cookie scoop, it's about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm gonna make them kind of big. I like my oatmeal cookies a little bit big and chewy. We'll lay them out. And that's it. Our first batch of cookies are ready to go in the oven to bake. You don't even have to chill this dough. That's how easy and quick these cookies are. I'm gonna put them in an oven heated to 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. We just want the cookies to be a little bit brown on the edges, a little bit crispy, and in the middle still soft, so they can be nice and chewy. Okay, and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, I took this batch out of the oven and let it cool a little bit on a wire rack, and they turned out perfectly. Seriously, like, I'm just so excited. Look, I can't. This is, I mean, it's worthy. This cookie is worthy of an award, okay? The texture award, the flavor award, the looks award, the feel award, the smell award. It smells so good. It smells like all the holidays combined in one. Okay, plus your birthday. Let's eat this cookie. Oh, okay. Take a bite. When it makes you want to dance, I can do this all day. And I'm gonna bite. But before I go, I just want to say these cookies are like the best cookies I've ever eaten. Ever. The bottom, the toffee, what it did was kind of melt and create this caramelized crust. A little bit of a crisp, butterscotchy flavor. And with every bite you get that crunchy, nutty pecan, the chewy, sweet oats. So damn good! It's crazy to me to think about how easy and quick this cookie was to make. We didn't need to brown any butter, toast any pecans, make our own brittle. Claire, I love you, you're a goddess, but us mortals gotta eat too. This is a quality cookie. This tastes like it took a long time to make. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Cooking Sheri. I had a blast. I really had so much fun doing this. Remember please to subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell for notifications. I'm really excited to make more videos. If you want to eat cookies right now, you want to have a delicious dessert in under an hour from start to finish, eat them now, thank me later. Okay, I'm putting you down, baby. Or I'm sorry, baby. I love you. Oh, I didn't wash my hands. It's okay. I don't care.